And finally, let's create Open Roadmap page. Click New Page, set the title, root and icon. And moreover, I want that page to be the first. I'm setting the order 1. And I want that page to be open for the public, so I'm rewriting the portal security settings and keeping the page open. See, there is no lock icon. Alright, and let's add the group for feature request page. Let it be my pages group. Alright, that way. And let's configure the page. We are showing the title on the page, then adding some text component, markdown text component, and another section. And that section contains 3 columns, but note that there are different layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. Alright, so we're configuring the information about the site. That is a open roadmap, open development pipeline. Alright. Nice. And each column contains some cards view for different statuses of the feature, planned, under development, and released. Yep. And moreover, I want to configure the appearance of the website. I can choose the color scheme, set the border radius, some font families, font sizes. Let us do that. I like Courier new font for the headers, bold ones, and another font for the text. And let's set their size smaller a bit. Alright, I guess it looks great. Yeah, and it does. I also want to see a logo image on the website. I'm going to the special data structure, files, uploading here the image with the logo. Alright, refreshing the data structure. Here we see the object and the URL, the address of the image that we have just uploaded. Copying the address here, reloading, and yeah. Great. Now, we should add several API endpoints for our open roadmap. We are creating a new one for data structure features, of course, setting some method name, endpoint description, open roadmap planned. Then we are setting up some conditions on user session. There should be none because that API endpoint should be public. Then we are choosing a few fields available for reading, some description, title, ID, tags, etc. Some data for public cards of the features. Right? Okay, let's go to the open roadmap. The first column, we are choosing the new API endpoint, turning off the quick search option. We don't need it there. Alright. Then let's add a title for the component planned. Okay. And of course, that would be great to see some tags on the card. And the color. Green for feature and red for the bug. Let it be a stripe on the left. Yep. Great. But there is a mistake because not all of those features are planned. So we should add the filter in our API endpoint that development status is planned. the field development status equals to planned. Okay, one feature. Alright, let's copy the endpoint. The similar fits for under development component. We just need to change the filter. Status should be equal under development. Alright, and configure the component in the second column under development, then title, turning off the quick search, and setting the list view. For the cards, color, tags, type of coloring. Alright, there are no features in the second column, but remember we have already configured the actions, the features management, and we could transfer the feature from one status to another easily. Alright, next we're doing the similar actions. So we are copying the endpoint, we are setting the method name, filters, development status equals to released. Alright, and we're configuring the last column, released features. Alright, setting the card text, color, type of coloring, and I don't want to see the quick search option. We are turning it off. And I want to configure the card view, the object card. I'm reordering the fields on the card, and I'm doing it for each and every component on the page. The first should be inner ID, then title, description, and type. Alright. Yeah, that looks great. Let's check how that page looks like when I'm not signing in. Alright, that looks correct. But I want to add a link to sign up form right in the description of the page. I'm copying the URL of the page with the sign-in form, and since we are using markdown text, I can add the link that way. Note that you can always consult the documentation with all the needed information. Alright. Now that works great.